Hey guys, what's going on? Sean here, taking the jet boat out to get a day after a ton of work that we've had to do on her, fixing a lot of problems that she had. But we think we've remedied mostly all of them, so we're going to take her out, see how she does. People are starting to come out since they know the rain's gone. Getting in a wakeboat trough is going to be fun. Got to ride in my neck and an open tie. Oh yeah, we got some waves now. Dang, got pulled on by outboard. Can only go as fast as the boat in front of you right now. Oh, they stopped him. Dang. Finally caught some smooth water. Oh, she seems like she's doing pretty good right now. Got her nice and planed out, just cruising. Oh. Come on! We stopped because we wanted to check the time with the timing light, but that might have been a mistake.
Yeah, I need to make sure this thing's charging, Sean.
Right.
Take it back.
We'll start it and I'll hit it with the light and then just keep it running and then I'll jump up there. Uh-oh. Well, here we are. We found us a nice little spot to relax while we waited for our buddy to bring a jump pack.
My hat. Okay. I'm floating away.
Well, jump pack didn't work, so we're getting towed back to the dock by our buddy Scott. Sure appreciate the lift. I guess she ain't ready for the water just yet. She don't want to go. Subscribe to see if we got better luck next time.